Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today we're going to create a section to show the featured restaurants on the homepage using MetaBox with the help of MB Views. Here is my example. I made this homepage using Gutenberg, and this section is to show the featured restaurants which are chosen manually in the backend. These restaurants will be stored in a post type and each one is a post. The restaurant's extra information is saved in the custom fields. In this practice, I also set a condition to indicate that only selected posts will be displayed in this section. To manually select the restaurant to feature, I'll use a special custom field. For the custom post types in custom fields, I use MetaBox. To have more advanced features, we need some MetaBox extensions. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO. Make sure that you activate the following extensions. MB Custom Post Types helps to create custom post types. MB Views to create the template for the section. MetaBox Builder to has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. And MB Admin Columns to show the custom fields as an admin column. That helps to know the status of whether the restaurants are featured or not in the list of posts, so you can easily compare the results when displaying the restaurants on the homepage. However, this is just optional. Let's create a new post type for the restaurants. After publishing, you'll see a new item appear on the menu. It's your post type. Before creating the fields, let's see all the ones I'm going to use in this practice. Besides some normal fields for typical information, I have one special here to choose whether to feature the restaurant or not. Turning on the switch button means that the restaurant will be displayed in the section and vice versa. Let's create them all. I'll show the values of this custom field in the admin column to see whether the restaurant is featured or not. So tick this box. This setting is available only when you have the MB admin columns. This is how it will display on the admin dashboard. After that, go to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type. Then choose the restaurant that we've just created to apply the custom fields to it. Back to the Post Editor. You will see all of the fields now. The switch field is also displayed. You can turn on or turn off the button to choose to feature the restaurant or not. Now, just fill in the information for the restaurant. These are some posts that I created as an example. You can easily see which restaurants will be featured like this. Go to Views and create a new template that will be used for the section. Here I declare to get all the posts from the restaurant post type. To get posts, use this function. Inside this loop, add some code. I'm creating a condition to display the selected posts only. This is the ID of the switch field. Corresponding to the on and off status of it, the value that is saved will be 1 and 0. So this line means that if the switch field is turned on, the following actions will be implemented. Let's insert fields to display information from the posts inside this condition. To display the featured image of the restaurant, choose Post Thumbnail from this post section. Next, the logo. And the voucher. Since the voucher field type is the checkbox list, you will have two options here to choose which one will be displayed. Then the code will have the form like this. Just insert and field you want to display the data by clicking the name of the field from this panel. That's all for the code. You can see here that all of this means that Any post that has the switch field is turning on will be displayed with this kind of information. Now, set this template type as shortcode. Then after publishing, there will be a shortcode automatically generated here. Just copy it. Go to edit the homepage. Then the area where you want to add the section. Add a heading block to name the section. Next, add a shortcode block. Paste the one you've just copied from the view. You'll see the restaurant's information display. Let's move to the next step to style this section. Back to the views and edit the created template. I'll add some div classes like this. Then you can add some CSS in this tab. I've uploaded all the code on GitHub, you can refer to it. Go back to the homepage, you will see the new look of the section. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.